Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are doing another spa day review for this product here. So let's get in and let's get into the review. All right guys, welcome back. So I'm coming up actually with this is actually an updated review that I did. I actually did this on my blog initially, but I didn't make a video for it, so I just wanted to share my thoughts on this product here. So and I have it on my phone so I can give you guys the right wording of it. So this is HydroPeptide Moisture Reset Facial Oil. So I don't know about you guys, but I love skincare, especially now that I'm not ashamed to say it. I am in my early 40s, but I tend to, like if I can go outside with a clear face, that'll be like 100% of my goal, because I love skincare, and I would definitely just be able, if I can be one of those people that wake up in the morning and just go outside and I'm ready to go, then I'm good to go. But I don't like to wear a lot of makeup myself anyway, personally. But I wanted to share this one with you guys because I've been using this for a couple of months now and I love it. So I kind of wanted to give you guys my thoughts on this. Now, this one I actually got from, if you didn't read that blog, I actually got this from FabFitFun. This is actually, I'm on their website right here, so you can see that there. This is actually $120, so I can't believe it. Maybe that's why I'm taking my time to look through this. So what this is here, basically I use this in my skincare routine. So I usually do this at night. On the website, it does say that you can do it in the morning or at night, but I don't like to have an oily face because I do have combination skin. In the winter, it's more so dry, but in the summer, it's definitely oily. So that's why I say combination, because it kind of depends on the time of year. So let me know if your skin does the same thing, because my skin definitely does that. So I use this at night because at night you don't care, you can wash your face in the morning, and I kind of want to lock in all that moisture that I can overnight while I'm sleeping, and I'm not like messing with my face during the day. So what this says here, it says this moisture nutrient rich facial oil locks in moisture by building up the natural lipid barrier of your skin. The 13 precious oils help protect from the environment stressors, free radical damage with rice bran, works to soothe irritation and redness. And this is 1 fluid ounce as well. So I want to talk about the ingredients because you guys, if you follow my blog, you guys know that's very important. So we talk about the ingredients. Now, the cool thing about it is there's key ingredients of this, and they seem to be all natural according to the site. So if you take a look at them, there are flower extracts, so essential oils that work together to enrich skin and soften texture. And there's also avocado pumpkin oil, and it says those lock in moisture and help to protect the lipid barrier of your skin. Hold on, let me go to the ingredients page here because it kind of didn't give me the full one. And then rice bran extract, soothing extract that nourishes your skin. So it says no parabens, sulfites, vegan and cruelty free, and you can definitely check out the website to see the full details of this. Now on here, like I said, it does say that you can, on their site, it does say that you can use this in the morning and at night, but I say use it the way that it is. It depends on your skin. If you use this during the day and it doesn't make your face feel oily, then you're totally fine. But for me, I kind of don't like to have oily face. Even though I'm working from home, I don't like that greasy feeling on my face. So that's kind of what I do. It says gently swirl bottle before use. So you're going to use this. And I wanted to show you guys what the product actually looks like. So if you use a dropper, it says dispense 3 to 5 drops in your hand. Now I'm going to show you this here. The dropper does, you see there, it's like a golden color, and it has a dropper. Now what I've learned myself is that 3 to 5 may be too much, because even if you put a little, it goes away. So I've gotten away with 2 drops here, but I would say 3 is probably going to be the max for this, because you don't need a lot for your skin. And it says gently use gentle sweeping motions to apply all over your face and your neck. So if you don't know, definitely if you're taking care of your face, definitely make sure you moisturize your neck also. And then one tip that they gave It says Moisture Reset is fast absorbing facial oil that can be worn day and night. Less is more. Just like I said, 2 drops have been perfect for me. And then to avoid pilling, I've never heard of that. Please allow several minutes for the reset to absorb your skin before applying any serums and moisturizers. And then I wanted to give you guys some reviews. So like I said, this one is definitely worth it because like I said, it's $120, but you don't need a lot to use. So that's why I still have this from the last review that I had. And let me take a look at the date of when I posted the first review. I posted this in October and I still have some. We're in February, so I definitely still have a lot left. I can't tell how much, but it's probably a little over half a bottle. So it definitely is worth it if you're spending $120 on a facial oil, which honestly, that's why I love FabFitFun, because I can't see myself spending that much money on a facial oil. So there's that. Okay, so if you go on their website, you can see other reviews. The only downfall I would say to this is I don't like the scent, but because I put moisturizer over it, the scent isn't overwhelming. It just has like a, I guess a woody, earthy scent to it that is not pleasing to me, but maybe that's why I put this on at night too. It's not overpowering because you don't smell it when you're sleeping, so it's not a big deal for me. All right, so let me see here. Let me see something because I'm on their site, but let us check out. I think I put this on Amazon. I think where I saw reviews was on Amazon, and Amazon actually gives them 4.5 out of 5. The website gave them 5 out of 5. So let's talk about some of the reviews that other people gave. So one person says, I receive this in my FabFitFun, so I guess just like me. I love this oil. I put it on every morning at night. I'm 54. My neck looks awesome. Bottle lasts 3 months. So maybe my bottle's lasting a little bit more than that. I just bought a second bottle. So there you go. That's what I like FabFitFun too, because you can actually give some stuff to try and then decide if you want to buy it in full. And then someone else said they also got that from FabFitFun. So I'm going to skip those. The ones that say FabFitFun, because I want to give you guys some honest reviews here. Someone said, love, love, love. This is awesome. I really see a difference in the first, in my fine lines on my chest and neck. Definitely worth the money. This is my favorite part of my skincare regimen. And another one says, yes, it's pricey, but so worth it, ladies. I promise it's a serum, so a little goes a long way. Lock in moisture. She's a licensed cosmetologist and total skincare and makeup nut this product delivers. Oh, and I'm 47, 48 in May. Wow, scary. So glad I started good skincare in my youth. So that's one tip I would definitely give you guys. If you're like me and you kind of want to age gracefully, definitely make sure that you have a good skincare routine, because that's definitely going to give your I guess you say your body life. So of course we know that we need vitamin D. Vitamin D is good for your mental health, but make sure you're taking care of your skin. So it's simple. It's not even that difficult. Make sure you're washing your face, using toner, putting serum. If you have facial oil, put that too, and lock it all in with either a good moisturizer, and take a day out of the week just to have a spa day. That's why I'm going to start sharing different products here of what I use and what I like, and then sharing other reviews of what people are saying about the products, so that you guys don't know it's just not me, it's other people too. So yeah, have those spa days. Do a mask. If you follow my channel, you guys know I love face masks, or if you follow my blog, you guys know I love face masks. So definitely get those out, take a bath, and just relax. Especially, this month was Valentine's Day. Definitely take a relaxation and treat yourself, just because that also helps your mental health, and you'll be wealthy. There you go. I put it all together. So definitely let me know in the comment section below, what is your favorite part of when you do your spa days? I know a lot of us are home, we're working from home, or we're home a lot more than we were. So do you take spa days? Let me know. And what is the favorite part that you like to do for yourself on your self-care days? So Definitely let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.